Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file, or a picture of a file, and this file. They've done all the work, but they want the black to be white. And you can see, I mean, it doesn't look white unless you put a background on it. And I'm hoping or thinking I'm correct. This is really easy, but you know, everybody starts somewhere, and I was there once. It's a beautiful trace. So first of all, I'm going to start by saying I can see the star is thicker. So I'm going to change the star to a hairline just to make it more even and whatever. I would actually set your nudge or your duplicate distance on 0, 0. I'm pretty demanding on that because the long run, you'll be much, much happier. So if we want this the exact color of this, two ways you can do it, but the easiest way is to get the Smart Fill tool, get the eyedropper, and take a sample of that blue. And then wherever you click, that's going to be that blue. And after we're done, we're going to do a couple other things. But just take and as long as your crosshairs are inside that box that you've drawn, this will work. Now, he said he wanted the inside black or white instead of black. And you could change those colors, you know, if this doesn't match your preference. But you can see now that it's transparent. There's no white there. So what you need to do now is take your Smart Fill tool, set it on white. And if you're a printer, you're probably going to use CMYK, but I'm just using RGB. And I'm going to have to click it here and here, because the Smart Fill can only get in there. It can't, well, let's just do this. Let's do it. Let's put a background on it so we can see. So if you take the Smart Fill now with white and hit it here, it can't get in there. So there you go. Now what I'd also do, well, there are some, there's lines in there because we put the lines. So if you want it better, I would select it all and go right here and right click, no outline. It's a minute little deal, but you know, now there's no lines, it's all solid colors. And you can kind of see that it is transparent, so the white is taken up. And it doesn't matter what color you make that background if you print it on a shirt. And you can also change that blue. You know, let's say and just to make the video a little bit better, let's say you want a little bit darker. Here's a little trick. Take this, get your Smart Fill tool, get your eyedropper, and take a sample of that blue and put it here. And let's say you want to make it a little bit darker. So I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to click it 1, 2 times. So I got a totally different color. Now I can use this sample as a sample. So I can now go to, and if I was to do this, I would take away all the color. Now let's just do that. And he might not want to do this, but I'm going to left click, no fill, right click outline. And there's our color. Now I can go to the Smart Fill tool and grab my eyedropper tool and use this new color to fill in the spots. And you can see it's a little bit more vibrant color. So just go through and just fill in all the spots. And you can, as I'm zoomed in, you can see that the lines are still there. So I would strongly suggest getting rid of the lines. And then just take a white Smart Fill, go up to the Smart Fill tool, grab a white, and you have to fill in this because the Smart Fill tool has boundaries and it can't go everywhere that it's blocked out of. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.